Anja from Cooking with Plants, and today I'm making fruit bread waffles with cinnamon cashew cream. This is one of my all-time favourite breakfasts. It's so quick and easy to make, so let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, I'm using my trusty waffle iron from the 70s. It still works, it's still great, and I love the flat waffles that it makes, but you can use any waffle iron that you like. And to the waffle iron, I'm actually adding some thick fruit bread. So just store-bought fruit bread, you can use any that you like. And I'm just popping that in, and I'm going to cook that up while I make my cashew cream. For the cinnamon cashew cream, just get yourself a small blender. I've already got 1 cup of cashews in here, so these have been pre-soaked just to make it nice and smooth and creamy. And they've been soaking for about half an hour or so. I just poured over some hot boiling water, or you could also cover them and soak them overnight and leave them in the fridge. So up to you, or if you have a super powerful blender, don't worry about soaking them at all. Okay, so to this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And remember, you can print the recipe for this off my website at CookingWithPlants.com. And I'm also adding in half a teaspoon each of cinnamon and coarse Celtic sea salt. So you may think that salt is a strange ingredient in this cashew cream, but it actually brings out the sweetness and just makes the overall flavour absolutely amazing. And this is ready to blend up. Okay, so this is all blended up and it is, yes, nice and creamy, a nice pouring consistency. So I actually added a touch of water to this. Normally I use the water that I soak the cashews in, but I actually forgot and I poured it out earlier, so I have added it in. So add half to 1 cup of water to this mix and it'll be a beautiful pouring cream consistency. Or if you want to leave it a bit thicker, then use less liquid. Okay, time to check on the waffle and get this into my belly. All right, this is looking and smelling delicious. Quickest way to make waffles ever. You don't have to muck around with making a batter or anything like that. It's just ready to go, and that's exactly what you want in the morning when you need a quick, healthy breakfast. So to this, I'm going to just add a combination of fruit. I like to add some berries and keep them on the plate if possible. Okay, we've got blueberries and some raspberries, whatever fruits you like. And then finally, just some sliced bananas as well. And finishing it all off with the cinnamon cashew cream. And that's it. Breakfast is served, ready to go. Taste testing off my finger. That cashew cream tastes delicious. Give this a try. Try to get some of that waffle and the fruit and the cinnamon cream all in one mouthful. Oh yeah. Yum. This is such a quick and easy and tasty breakfast. Oh my gosh, you have to give this a try. Remember, you can print the recipe off my website at CookingWithPlants.com. Leave me your comments below. Share your photos on Instagram if you do make this. I'd love to hear from you. Oh my gosh, I have to keep eating. Time to get into the day, and I am going to eat all of this right now. So I'll look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Oh yeah. Mm-mm.